Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Jay and this is my channel Make Money with Jay. It used to be called Make Money with Video, but now I started to make printables and KDP books over on Amazon. So now it's just Make Money with Jay and I show you all what I'm doing. I don't leave anything out. I'm very transparent. I show you my earnings, I show you what I'm making, etc. So if you're new here, welcome. Hope you enjoy this video. We're going to talk about printable ideas to sell. Yeah. So if you look at some, if you want to check out some of my videos, feel free. I show you the best ways to make money online as a beginner. I show you printable tags, free printables, how to make money on YouTube, different video creators, that tools and apps that I use, and how you can make money with them. I show you, like, obviously my earnings for Etsy, earnings for KDP, different ideas, and I also show you different apps and that what I use to how to create them faster and get like passive income, etc. guys. So feel free. I show you how to make books as well. Check out some of my videos, much appreciated. I'm only a small channel, but without further ado, let's get into today's video. Now all I do, guys, I come over to Etsy. Yeah, this is obviously if I'm making like Etsy printables, and like the next holiday coming up in the UK is St. Patrick's Day. Yeah, it's on the 17th of March, and today's the 2nd of March. So you best get creating. And look, I've just typed in St. Patrick's Day printable games, and if you look, you get 140 people searching a month. Yeah, I mean, if you want to delete the games part and just look at printables, yeah, you get in 2,900. But we're looking at the games. Yeah, so here, look, St. Patrick's Day, 15 game bundle. Now you're thinking, oh, that's a lot of games to make. But I'm going to show you something later that'll help you make them faster. Yeah, you got your like another game bundle. Yeah, like you got word searches, word scrambles, quizzes, trivia, emoji Pictionaries, you name it, guys. You've got loads of different ones, riddles. And that's it, guys. I mean, you come over here, you can have a look at them and then go over to Canva and make them yourself. And I'm going to show you one that I made, guys. And let me just show you this. So what you do is come over here. So you can either put St. Patrick's Day, you can put Easter. I'm not sure if there's any games made for Easter yet, but it's one what I'm going to be looking at. Yeah, look, Easter games and stuff like that. Yeah, there's lots of them, guys, isn't there? You just come over and copy them. Not copy them per se, but like get some ideas, get some inspiration in that, guys. Yeah, and you can even do colouring pages. Make like a bundle of colouring pages, like different bunnies and stuff like that. Yeah. Christmas is my favourite. Not sure it's going to look like your games here. Look, more games. Oh, you've got your Galentine, you've got your Valentine's Day, you've got like Christmas trivia, Christmas songs, movie trivia, you name it, guys. Bundles here. There's lots of them. Valentine's, like charades. Now this one, it's quite easy to make, isn't it? You put a bit of a title and put loads of boxes. Make that over on Canva. Yeah, more St. Patrick's Day, Christmas trivia. I'm not sure why Patrick's Day is showing on this, but let's just put in printable games. Let's see what comes up. This is all I do, guys. Like, so printable games, people searching for it each month, guys. I'm just going to click on that one, yeah. Or you can do printable games for kids, printable game for adults. Just, you name it, guys. Just do this temporary one. So look, your baby showers. These are very popular, guys, and I'm going to show you something in a minute. How you can make lots of these. Look, baby showers are very popular, and it's not seasonal, is it? It's all year round. So let's have a look. So this is one that I made on Canva. Yeah, I made. Let's go back to this. Sorry. It's called Candy Dice. Yeah, Candy Dice game. So look, Candy Dice game, 210 people searching a month. Candy Dice itself is looking for 800 ads. So we'll just put in Candy Dice game for now. See what it brings up. Like here, your Valentine's Candy Dice game, yeah? You've got like basic thing, yeah? You've got another Valentine's Day, you've got your Candy Dice, just a plain Candy Dice, you've got your another Candy Dice, yeah? So what I made over on Canva is a St. Patrick's Day candy dice game. Yeah, so people are going to be searching for St. Patrick's Day, and they also search for candy dice. So I've combined it. So all I've done is just put like a bit of a nice little board around it, put the title in that, how you can play it. And basically, all you play is you roll the dice, and whatever it lands on, this is what you do. And then you can make up these or whatever you want. Yeah, so you can say, give 2 to someone else, or pick 3. You know what I mean? You don't have to do all these. I've just made these up myself. I've just put a little image on it, and that's what I've done, guys. Yeah. And here's one I made for Easter. So Easter egg exchange. I hope you got that. Yeah. Dice game. Yeah. So swap eggs. You can put it with candy. You can do it with eggs. You can even put it with beer, alcohol. Yeah. So that can be for the adult one. And that's all I've done, guys. I've done. I just copied that. Yeah. And then I've changed it into St. Patrick's, or vice versa. So you don't, once you've made the template once, you don't have to keep remaking it. You just copy it and then just change the word. So I'll change that colour to pink and that if it was for Valentine's Day, and I put Happy Valentine's Day or Valentine's Day, etc. Yeah, candy dice, or it can be chocolate, it can be anything you want, guys. And that's how you make it. So once you've made the template once, that's all you need to do, and then you just upload it to Etsy. Yeah, look, and you sell it. So. And they're getting sold, these guys. Look, they're very popular. And not just this, you can use inspiration from anywhere. Yeah. But then this is called Crispy Prints. Now, it's from a guy called Ike Paz. Yeah, if you want to search him on YouTube, he's very popular. He's been doing it for a long time. He knows what he's doing. And he made this up, yeah, guys. And he shows you on Etsy and Pinterest and Facebook and how to make your website, etc. But look, he's got these. Look, he's got the shower bundle, the baby shower bundle, which we've just seen that is very popular. He's got couples bundle, not just for Valentine. Couples are all year round. You got your busy book bundle, which is lots of different kinds of printables. You got your road trip, which is very popular, and then you got my favorite, which is Xmas. Then he also does like things like kids masks, yeah, 3D masks, dice prints, flag banners, S-tail banners, sticker prints, yeah. But then also, he's bringing out upcoming printable generators, which is Easter games, print gift tags, Halloween games, more 3D masks, Bible activities, first birthdays, sport prints, colouring prints, graduation activities, and much more. This is what I love about this program, guys. Now, I'm not going to show you in this video how to create them because it'll take a while. But if you come over to my my YouTube channel and you scroll down to some of them, you will see, like here, how to make road trip printables, yeah? Baby shower, baby animals, print and play games, yeah? How to make paper dice, you name it, guys, I'll show you on here. And check out some of my other videos, like my Christmas party games and any of Christmas ones, to be fair, because I did a lot for Christmas, yeah? Free printables, yeah? You name it, guys. So that is it for today's video, but like I said, they are the printables to sell. Yeah, you got your like your St. Patrick's Day, you got your Easter, you got your Valentine's Day, you got your Christmas, you got your Halloween, you name it, guys. But most importantly, you've also got your baby shower, which is all year round. Yeah, you got your birthdays and stuff like that. So you could make a birthday one, print a birthday dice. Yeah, pasta presents, whatever. You can do anything you want, guys. And this is just for the candy. This is just for the dice game. You can have candy dice game. Like I said, you can have beer game. You can have chocolate eggs for Easter, like I did here. Yeah. And that's all you do, guys, is create it on. You can have create it yourself on Canva, on Canva, yeah, or any, whichever you use. And if you can't be bothered doing that, then check out this Crispy Prints, guys. It is awesome. Yeah. Like that being said, today's video has probably gone on a bit longer than you wanted. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. It will help the channel, as I'm only a small channel. I'm not monetized. I am making money through Etsy and Amazon KDP, as well as other forms, which I show in my videos. So I'm very transparent. Any questions, guys, please let me know. Until next time, guys, thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.